Hello, my amazing subscribers. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss important updates about working and moving abroad. Also, if you find this video valuable, please hit the like button. It really helps YouTube recommend this video to more people who need it. If this is your first time here, kindly tell me where you're watching from in the comments section. I would love to personally welcome you. Now, let's dive straight into today's video because Italy just opened its doors to over 28,000 foreign workers for 2025 under the new visa quota, and what makes this exciting is that you don't need IELTS, and some applicants can qualify for permanent residency in as little as 8 days. Italy has officially launched its Flussi Decree, Decreto Flussi, 2025, which allows the entry of over 28,000 non-EU foreign workers into the country for seasonal and non-seasonal jobs. This decree sets aside quotas for workers from selected countries to legally come and work in Italy. The quota is part of a broader immigration policy that gives workers access to job permits, and later the chance to settle permanently. So, who exactly is eligible to apply? You must be a non-EU citizen. You must have a valid job offer from an Italian employer. You do not need IELTS or proof of language tests. No age limit has been mentioned, making it open to both young and older workers. You must come from a country that is included in Italy's approved list under this decree. Countries like Nigeria, India, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Ghana, Egypt, Tunisia, Morocco, Albania, and many others are included in this quota list. There are two major categories. 1. Seasonal work, lavoro stagionale. These jobs are usually in agriculture, farming, fruit picking, food processing, and hospitality. 2. Non-seasonal work, lavoro subordinato. This includes caregiving, construction, transport, mechanical work, cleaning services, and factory jobs. Italian companies are currently recruiting, and applications are open, so you don't want to wait too long. Now let's go through the step-by-step process. Step 1. Secure a job offer from an approved Italian employer. Step 2. The employer applies for your work authorization, nulla osta, through Italy's immigration portal. Step 3. Once approved, you apply for your long-stay visa at the Italian embassy in your country. Step 4. Travel to Italy and complete your residence permit, permesso di soggiorno, within 8 days of arrival. Step 5. Begin working and follow up on the path toward long-term residence or permanent residency if eligible. How to apply without IELTS. The good news. No language test is required. Most employers are only concerned with your ability to do the job, not your English or Italian skills. Some may offer training or language help after arrival. But to stand out, try to learn basic Italian phrases for communication. It will increase your chances of being hired and settling in comfortably. How to get PR in as little as 8 days. Here's the kicker. If your documents are well prepared and your employer completes your nulla osta promptly, you can receive your residence permit within 8 days of entering Italy, and from there, you begin your countdown toward permanent residency. After 5 years of continuous legal stay and work in Italy, you can apply for EU long-term residency. But the initial steps are now faster and more accessible than ever before. So, whether you're looking for seasonal agricultural work or long-term roles in caregiving, hospitality, or logistics, Italy's 2025 visa quota gives you a golden opportunity to live and work in Europe legally. Make sure to check the links in the video description to find job offers and begin your application. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments section. I'll do my best to answer as soon as possible. And if you've already started your application, let us know how it's going. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who might need it.